Hey guys, it's Tomas here from Athletic Attractions, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a backflip. Alright, so a backflip is a pretty difficult trick to do, I guess you could say, but today I won't be doing it flat. I'll be doing it off of something like that rock right there. Alright, so to start off, the first step is the jump. So you're just going to practice going down to the squat position, jumping up with your arms as well. So you're going to go here, squat down, and jump up, alright? So you're going to practice that off of our rock. So we're up here on the rock, and what we're going to do is we're going to squat down, and jump up to the rock, okay? So you're going to practice that a few times just to get the feel of the height that you're up at, and to get a feel of that motion of jumping up and landing down on the ground, alright? Next step, you want to go up like this, right? Jump up, and as you get up, as you're just tilting back, you're going to tuck in your legs, alright? So when you're here, you're going up, tuck, alright? When you're just starting to lean back, you're just going to tuck in your legs, and that's when you're going to tuck your neck in, tuck your legs in, and rotate backwards and land on the ground, alright? So make sure you can do like a backflip on a trampoline or like into water or something before you do this, because this is on flat ground, right? Alright, now once you've got those 2 steps down to the landing, so once you get down, you're going to go up, rotate, and when you land on the ground, you're going to straighten out your body kind of like that. You're going to try and land like this, but since you're at a pretty low height, you're going to try and go like that, right? So, the next step, once you got the landing, you just want to complete that rotation to make sure that it's clean and that you're fully tucked. If you have it tucked like this, it's not going to work. You need a tight tuck so that your body's compact, that you can rotate cleanly, alright? So we're on the rock, and again, we'll do our practice jumps. Alright, so we're jumping up and backwards. Another important thing is you keep your eyes on a target, like this sign. I'll keep my eyes facing that target, and my head would face forwards, and I jump back and lean back, and until that target is out of my sight, that's when I tuck, alright? That's another tip that you can use when doing a backflip. Alright, so we're going to do one more practice jump, and then we'll go into it. So I'm keeping my eyes on a target ahead, like a tree or something, alright? And that is when I would be tucking. Alright, ready? Here we go. That, folks, is the backflip. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll be posting more videos like these later on. Alright, peace out.